Hey Easy Technology fans, in this tutorial we're going to be talking about 8 features in Windows XP that Windows 11 is hiding. Number 8. The command prompt. Windows was originally built to run on top of DOS and early versions including a command prompt or other shortcuts to access the underlying DOS system. Microsoft later built a more modern version of Windows for server and enterprise use that wasn't based on DOS, called Windows NT, and Windows XP ended up as the first general use Windows-related based the upgraded system. Number 7. Control Panel. This is cheating a little bit because the control panel has changed significantly since Windows XP, and Microsoft has been slowly phasing it out in favor of the Settings app. However, the control panel is still the only way to access specific options in Windows, and some of the actual settings panels are very similar to their XP parts. Most of these settings here were intended for Internet Explorer, like the toggles for ActiveX, which isn't even available on Windows 11, though they could also affect some applications that use the old IE engine to load web content. Number 6. The Run dialog has been a core component of Windows for decades, and the Windows 11 version is identical to the Windows XP panel. On both operating systems, you can open it with the Windows plus R keyboard shortcut. The Run dialog allows you to type the name of a program, the full path to any file or folder, or any web address to open it. Number 5. The character map is a simple system tool in Windows that shows you every character in every installed font, along with the keyboard shortcut for typing it in another application. You can also use it to copy a given character to the clipboard so you don't have to type out the whole shortcut. Number 4. System information. There are many ways on Windows 11 to check hardware and software data, including the Settings app, Device Manager, and Task Manager. But one utility has stuck around for over 20 years. The System Information application can display just about every detail about your PC, from the BIOS version to your list of startup programs. Number 3. Disk cleanup is still the primary method of cleaning up Windows system files and cache before your PC does it automatically, while also emptying the recycle bin if you want. The utility is present in both Windows XP and Windows 11. Number 2. ODBC Data Source Administrator. Windows has a built-in utility called ODBC Data Source Administrator, which allows you to connect to some external databases, primarily useful to computers in work settings or enterprise deployments. You can find it on Windows 11 by searching for ODBC, and it's accessible on Windows XP from Control Panel under Performance and Maintenance Administrative Tools. And last but not least, number 1, WinVer. Both Windows XP and Windows 11 have a simple application about Windows, which can be accessed by opening the Run dialog, Windows plus R, and running WinVer. The panel displays the logo for the current operating system, as well as copyright information and the current build number. If you enjoyed this tutorial, be sure to like it, share it to your friends, and subscribe to the channel.